ang dami-dami niyo nakagalang kumot dito. Babalutin niyo yung steak. At basta, napanood niyo na yung haling paano na hindi ba kayo kinabahan? Ang galing, ha? Hindi naman po siguro. Gawin po namin, siguro, gagawin namin lahat makakaya namin para mapanglahat. Para naman siguro. O, sige, si John! Subukan niyo yung labanan si John. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! We will be back! Shall we go? Shall we go? Don't wait. Yes, your TV5, your favorite celebrity dance competition here on Shall We Dance. Our next group starts for that unique name that will show their distinct power when they step on the dance floor. So here to capture us in their web of dance, let's get to know the group called Tarantula. Hoping to catch us in the web of talent, here's the group called Tarantula.
Yung makita po sa amin na mga kilala namin, sabi, uy, ang ganda ng ginawa niyo. Mas naging proud po sa amin yung mga magulang namin. Siyempre po, masara na po yung mga kaibigan namin at yung mga kapuwag namin sa web. Nakakatawa po isipin na na-appreciate po nila yung ginawa po namin sa kalitan. May pa rin po dun sa concept natin na gagawin. Hindi pa rin po malalabasin namin. Nag-practice ako na kami.
Tarantula. Miss Edna, I'll start with you kasi naka-red ka rin. Congratulations. Galing ng choreography. I really choreography. The costume is fantastic. The concept is great. All-out performance also. Talagang binigay niyo lahat. You can feel the fire, the dynamism, you know, the electric feeling. Parang talagang you can hold their attention. And what can I say? You've done your best. Miss Red? Absolutely, I agree with Miss Edna, 100%. Amazing yung production value. Parang talagang malaking show, all crammed into just a few minutes. Ang lakas ng dating. Yung mga faces niya talagang sobrang drama. The music was really nice, and I was fully entertained along with the whole audience, and I'm sure everybody who's watching right now. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Direct Audie, are you just as happy?
Oh, I'm so proud. Ang galing ng mga talentado.
Talentado ka rin,
Oh, you know what? It reminded me so much, Reg, what they used to do. Parang showgirl dancing ang ginawa nila eh. But they took it to another level, you know. So, but because showgirl ang dating, sana she showed a little more skin. siguro para lalong sexy. Hindi kaya mo yan. But overall, it was very entertaining. Nag-improve na yung kanilang choreography mula nung nakita ko sila. But I make comments, and
And they took it to heart.
They took it to heart, and they followed advice, so it's looking much, much better now. Good.
See, good for you guys.
Thank you po, Direk.
Unang tanong muna, bakit hindi ka masyadong nag-reveal ng skin? Mas gusto sana nila ng mas sexy pa si Spider-Woman. Nahihiya. One day, babalik ka dito. Hindi ka na masyadong nahihiya. Impressed yung ating mga judges and everybody here in the studio. They're very impressed dun sa production value. Sino nakaisip mo na spider, tapos ganun kalalaki yung prop? Ang choreographer. Amazing. Talagang talentado ang Pinoy. Palakpakan natin ulit ang tarantula. Thank you for being on the show. Arnelli, pakilala mo naman ang ating huling grupo.
Okay, kasama ko ngayon ang mga lalaban sa, ang pangalan nila, ang Enigma, at saka si Tarantula. Ito naman ang, ano pangalan grupo nyo? Musiklo to. Ano na, nagagaling yung mga kalaban nyo? Ano lang parang wala lang Kasi po, mas pinaghandaan po namin ngayon eh. Kung baga, hindi kayo natatakot, mas magaling kayo sa mga dalawa. Oo, nakakausap kita. Oo, ito naman si Tita Swarding, O, yan abangan nyo, puro mga nagyayabang tumato, talaga galing. Don't go away, shall we guys, Rosie, go!